Okay, so I am in my OneDrive. I just made a new folder that has the distance learning resources. And when you open it up, I've just put in some PDFs in there for for an example. Okay, so all I did is under files, I went right here to share and just went to anyone with the link and made sure that they could not edit. That way, they would be making a copy of your file. And I hit apply, and then I just went ahead and copied that link. And so this was the link that I used to send to everybody. I'm sure that's what you're doing. So then beyond that, the only thing I can think is maybe if you have different kinds of file types in here, maybe I should have tried some Word documents just to see, but let me know if that's what you are already doing and if that's not working, because if so, then I don't know, it looks like it's going to be a bigger issue, or if that's different than how you were doing it. So anyway, let me know.